Hi guys, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Adnan and Alia. We're back again and this week we're making lamb chops. So let's see the ingredients and then we'll get on to the method. Right, time for the ingredients. So we have got a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala, 4 tablespoons of plain flour, 3 green chilies. We have got 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili. We've got 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. We've got the juice of 1 lemon. We've got 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. We've got 1 tablespoon of green chili flakes. Salt to taste. We have got about 3 tablespoons of oil. We've got 1 cup of yogurt, and I've got about 20 mutton chops there. You could use lamb chops. You could get goat chops if you want, if you can find them. So yeah, let's get started. Let's get to the method. Right, so the first step is we're gonna add the salt and also the juice of 1 lemon to the chops, and then we're gonna let it marinate for half an hour. The reason we're starting with just this is because the lemon's gonna help tenderize the meat, and it's gonna reduce the cooking time as well. So first just add salt and the lemon juice, and I'm just gonna mix that in to make sure all the chops get coated. Right guys, welcome back. So it's been half an hour. The meat's been marinating in just the lemon and the salt, and now we're gonna add all the rest of the ingredients, mix it in, and then we're gonna leave it again for half an hour. So we'll start with the ginger garlic, chili flakes, the Kashmiri chili, the coriander seeds, the turmeric and the garam masala, green chilies, plain flour, oil, and last but not least, the cup of yogurt. And now we're just gonna mix this all together and leave it for half an hour again.
ये मसाला लगे हुए चॉप्स हम इसमें डालेंगे। 1.5 घंटे के लिए हम इसके अंदर रखेंगे। पहले घंटे के लिए हम किचन फॉयल लगाएंगे और लास्ट 30 मिनट के लिए हम फिर इसमें से किचन फॉयल हटा देंगे। फिर मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि कैसे इसको हटा के मैं रखती हूँ।
So what Alia's just explaining is it's been half an hour. We're now going to take the chops, we're going to put them into the oven tray, and then we're going to put them in the oven for an hour with kitchen foil on. And after that hour, we're going to take the kitchen foil off and we're going to let them cook for a further half an hour. Let's just take them one at a time. Just place them in. Right, so now that they're all in the tray, I'm just going to foil them. And now they're going to go into a preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade for an hour initially, like I said, and half an hour without the cling film.
ये 1.5 hour में हमारी लैम्ब चॉप्स रेडी हो गई हैं।
So that's it. They're done. We've taken them out of the oven. They were an hour and a half, an hour with the kitchen foil on and half an hour without the kitchen foil. They look and smell absolutely wonderful. We really hope you guys are going to give this a go. Please try it. Just look at that. Look at how it's just falling off the bone. Oh, not in focus there. Look at that. It's just falling off the bone. Give it a go. Try it. Yours will turn out just as good if you follow the recipe. And please comment down below. Let us know what you think. And don't forget to like, share. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.